What's good, guys? Let's see for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my step-by-step method on how I make use of P2P trading on platform. On Bybit platform, I've used this method and I've made numerous buys and sells on Bybit. So, if you don't know how to do it, stay tuned in. Now, if you don't have an account, create an account. Go to the description of this video and create yours. So let's jump into my Bybit account. Now, this is my Bybit platform. Let's go to P2P trading. We click on P2P trading. You can see buy, sell, USDT amount. This USDT, you can change it to the one you want. You can pick any coin. See, there are lists, so you can pick any coin you want. Amount, you can type any amount that you want, but they say minimum of 4,500 naira. Payment, you can pick any payment method you want. So we'll be doing buy. Now we'll be buying. So now, before I buy, I normally click on this filter button. So I check these four stuff on ad types. I don't check the last one, which shows only advertisers have traded within the past 6 months. I don't check those ones. Now, my sort by, I click on completion order on sort by and I click on confirm. If you check on the right hand corner, you are going to see orders and completion percentage. So what I do is that your orders should be more than 1,000 orders and your completion rate should be more than 96% before I can make use of it, because a lot of niggas that their orders are less than 1,000. Some of them are scammers, some are not. So I make sure that the orders are above 1,000 orders and the percentage are 90% up. Now, if you look at your left hand side, you are going to see limit, which says from 1 million. So a lot of guys has their own limit. So if the one you want is not here, you can just go to amount and type the one you want. So let's say we want to buy a 50,000 naira coin. We search for it. Now, they are going to give us range of those selling 50,000. Now we can see 5,000 to 72,000, 30,000 to 3.68 million. So now we are going to be making use of some logs because of their rate is cheaper than the other and their completion rate is higher than the others. So we are going to use some logs. Now we click on some logs. 50,000 is 36 USDT. Now we click on buy. We don't buy immediately. We contact seller. Now we chat the person up. Don't chat anything related to crypto because they will bound your account. Just type maybe hey or alpha. Now we chat hey. Wait for him to reply. We are doing this so that we know that he's online, so that we don't get scared that they are taking our money to go after payment. So wait for him to reply, then we can now go on with our transaction. So now he has replied pay. So before you pay, you need to check all what he said, because if you make mistake, money is gone. So you need to read everything. I do not accept POS payment, no third party payment. If you are using paying from your biz account, provide CAC. So you need to read everything. Now, after you do this, now you can now go ahead to pay. And when you pay with the bank name, card number, everything, sorry, the bank account number, then when you do that, then you click on payment completed. In the next 10 seconds, your USDT will arrive.
So if this video was helpful to you guys, because I normally make helpful videos, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on your notification bar. I'll be dropping more. Peace.